Alright champs, so this video is a real short one that is going to show you how I took two junky tools around the farm and turned them into a Frankenstein. Let's get started.
So I decided we're having some problems with the wheelbarrow. The cheap tire that they put on there to begin with, and then the brackets that are there, the kids are having a heck of a problem with that smaller diameter wheel, getting it up over hills when they're fully loaded. So we've got these old bikes that are sitting out there, and I think a little bit bigger diameter wheel is going to make it a little bit easier going for them, and maybe use a little bit of the frame to beef up the construction of this old wheelbarrow. Let's see how it works. Right here is one of the biggest faults in this wheelbarrow design. So this piece is supposed to be a brace to hold the handles together and tight, but as time goes on, whether it's the wood wearing out or the nuts, whatever, but when you go to flip the wheelbarrow to dump it out, this piece will actually slide up, and of course now it's not going to move, but it will hit the tire, or it will go back this way and cause the tire to stop and not move at all. Just poorly designed. Even if they just had welded a little piece here to hold it into place a little bit better. Halfway through the project, I've got everything tore apart, just about down to the frame here, just about to the point of no return. So I think what I'm going to do is right here cut these off. I may have to do another cross member support in order to keep the stability there, but then I either need to do a cardboard template or maybe I'll just eyeball it. I've got the center line here, so I know where the weld's going to have to go. And the funny thing is, my wife just caught me. She was out collecting supplies and going grocery shopping and came home and said, "What are you doing with the perfectly good wheelbarrow?" But I know what I'm doing. The other day she says, "You know, we got a couple of old bikes out beside the shop. You should get rid of those." So I'm kind of doing what she told me to do. So here's the finished product. Throughout the welding process, I happened to break the handles, so I figured I might as well remake those. So I used a 2x4 I had in the shop. Not going to zoom in on the welds because I'm still a work in progress when it comes to that, but not bad for a government employee. Yeah, so lipstick on a pig.
As always, I love you guys. Drink water.